Hey guys, Jason here with Opti-Guard and Optimum Polymer Technologies. Today I'm going to show you how to clean and protect using our Optimum Interior Cleaner and our leather guard. Step one, I'm going to spray this directly onto my vinyl and my leather. With my microfiber, we're going to agitate, and this is cleaning and stripping on the oils, makeup, deodorant, all kinds of stuff like that that gets stuck inside these doors and armrests. So we've got this leather section cleaned up right here. It's clean, but now we need to protect it. We're gonna come back with our Opti-Guard leather here. It only takes a few drops. And we're gonna apply that directly to our vinyl and all of our leather surfaces. This provides a great protection on this leather, so the next time you need to do a quick cleaning, it makes it a lot easier. And that's all it takes. Quick, easy, clean, and protected. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys again soon.